Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming basics that actually affect volume. First, make sure your Airpods firmware and iPhone OS are up to date. Outdated firmware can throttle output. Next, clean the mesh gently. Debris blocks sound and lowers perceived volume. Then, check volume limits and headphone safety settings so software isn't capping loudness. Once done, connect and test at 50% volume to establish a baseline, because comparing before and after tells you if steps worked. Now you tackle connectivity and system-level audio settings that commonly reduce volume. First, check Bluetooth interference by turning off nearby transmitters and repairing. Wireless noise can drop effective loudness. Next, inspect audio balance and accessibility. An L/R skew makes one side quieter and reduces overall perceived volume. If problems persist, reset the AirPods by using the case reset and repair to your phone. This clears pairing glitches that mute or finish with advanced diagnostics and a final fallback. Try your AirPods on a different phone or laptop. If they remain quiet, you likely have a hardware issue, drivers or speaker damage. If hardware is at fault, contact Apple support or arrange service. Repairs or replacements address worn speakers. Meanwhile, you can boost perceived volume with an equalizer boost in the Music app or a trusted third-party equalizer. Just be careful, because excessive boosting can distort sound or damage drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.